Namaste. Today is day 15 of Learn Yoga with Misfit Tanya. Today is another backbending pose and a very interesting one. It's called the Dhanurasana or the bow pose. In Sanskrit, Dhanu means the archer's bow. So when you're in this position, the shape of your body resembles that of a bow. Now this is a slightly challenging pose. So if you're attempting it for the first time with me, I would advise you to pause the video, do a little warm up. So maybe do some sun salutations and some specific warm up for the spine like the cat and cow stretch, the Cobra or the Bhujangasana, Locust, Shalabhasana or the Superman pose. I will be sharing the links to these videos in the description below. Now once you are warmed up and ready to get into the pose, first lie down on your abdomen. Feet together, hands by your side, palms facing upwards. Now bend your knees and grab both the ankles. Make sure you're grabbing the ankles and not the feet. Your elbows should be straight and not bent. Keep your forehead down. As you inhale, lift your forehead, chin, chest and also lift your legs, your thighs off the floor. So keep pushing your legs into your hands. Rather than pulling your legs towards you, keep pushing them and hold. Keep your chest open and gaze forward. You can hold this pose for 30 seconds and then come out of it. Now if it was difficult for you to grab both the ankles, you can also do it one leg at a time. So you can keep one palm down, bend the other knee, grab the ankle and then come up on one side. And then repeat it on the other side. If this is also challenging for you, you can use a strap, a pillowcase or any piece of cloth that can hold your ankles and then pull your legs up. Please practice this pose carefully under the guidance of a teacher if you're suffering from blood pressure issues, insomnia, migraine, or if you have any kind of lower back pain or injuries. Now this pose has a lot of benefits. It stretches the entire front region of your body. So starting from the throat, the chest, the abdomen, groins, hip flexors, your thighs and your ankles. It brings relief to constipation, PMS issues, fatigue and stress. Also, if you are suffering from any kidney or liver related disorders, this pose can be beneficial. If you're asthmatic, you might find it a little challenging to breathe in this pose because there's a lot of pressure on your abdomen. So you can hold it for say 10 to 15 seconds, come down, rest and then again get into the pose. Now this pose is known to reduce lethargy. So whenever you feel lazy, just get into this pose, practice it for some time and see how it works as a wonder. If you have any questions regarding this, you can mention in the comments below. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and please do subscribe to my channel for many more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back soon with the next posture. Thank you. Namaste.